Hey everybody! I'm here today to show you how to use tile nippers. This will be a full tutorial and a complete tutorial, so let's get right into the video. As you can see, this is a pair of tile nippers. They're really easy to use, and the main purpose is to sort of nibble off a piece of the tile, okay? Now there are two ways to use them, and basically you're gonna be using them in either a corner of the tile or a rounded part or an uneven part. You're not gonna be using them like this, you know, for the most part on a flat part of the tile. That's not how they're used in an ideal fashion. You can do it, but they're unlikely to work out in your favor. You want to use it on a corner like this. The first way is if you just need to sort of nibble off a piece of the corner. Obviously I mean nibble using the tile nippers, okay? This is great for if this part of the tile was, let's say, going to be hidden underneath baseboard or quarter round or a toilet or anything else, basically, or a cabinet, let's say. If this part of the tile is being hidden and you just need to break off a piece, what you want to do is grab them, okay? You're essentially going to be using them to clamp down on the tile, okay? And sometimes you can just clamp down like that and it'll break right off. Other times you might have to give it a little bit of torque motion. So as you can see right there, we just basically got off a little portion of the tile, and you can keep working your way. You can do this over and over again, right? You know, you can keep going and working your way like that until you have enough of spacing to actually be able to tuck the tile away nicely. The other way is more of a clean manner. I'm just gonna move this over here. I'm gonna clean this up later. But what you wanna do if you want a cleaner line is you wanna score the tile, okay? So you can see I have a tool right here that I can use to score the tile. So I'm just going to score it just right here, and we're gonna try and get a nice clean line, okay? So score the tile. When you score the tile, it makes it nice and easy to get a clean line. My scoring tool is kind of dull, to be honest with you. It's not really scoring the tile the way that I want it to be done. I think I am due to get a new one. We're gonna try one more time. Okay, so I scored it quite a bit. I should be okay to do this. If you're using a proper scoring tool that is not worn down like mine, it'll be a little bit cleaner, okay? What you're gonna do then is you're gonna sort of get the tile nippers, and you're not gonna try and break off the whole piece at once. You're gonna try and get closer and closer. So I would chop off a little bit here, okay? Like that. A little bit closer over here, okay? A little bit closer, like that. Keep going till we get to our score line, right over here. Just like that, and right here, just like that. So you can see that is actually a much cleaner line because of the scoring of the tile. You're not gonna, it's unlikely that you're gonna be able to get it perfect, okay? If you're a pro, you can get really close to perfect, but it's not gonna be as clean as like a score and snap method, but this is not meant for that. This is meant for just little pieces that you're taking off. And that's it, that is essentially how to use tile nippers, a complete tutorial. If you like this video, please be sure to give it a thumbs up. Let me know what you think down below as a comment. And of course, be sure to subscribe for more great videos just like this one. And that's all I have for you today. Thanks for watching.